Good morning everyone. My name is Mrudula, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering at MLR Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. Today I am going to discuss a topic about the Scada system. These are the contents which I am going to discuss today, like what is Scada, what are the components which are being used and how it works, what are the advantages, disadvantages as well as the applications of the Scada system. What is Scada system? Scada system, like mostly in any kind of industry, we would initially try to reduce the initial cost as well as streamline the operation properly. The major tasks of an industry are to reduce the cost and streamline the operation and reduce the different types of errors. Means all these three are the major tasks for the industry. So in order to gain these three tasks, the industries are being connected to the supervisory system. Means we need a supervisory system which is being connected to the industries in order to get the reduction of the cost, streamline operation as well as the reduction of the errors. This supervisory system is nothing but the Scada system. The supervisory system is nothing but the Scada system. The Scada system is a combination of hardware as well as software. The Scada system is a combination of hardware as well as software. So it is like it uses different the Scada system uses different types of sensors at different locations at different levels. So there will be different levels like level 1 of operation, level 2 of operation in the industries. So Scada system can be operated by using the different sensors at different levels as well as different locations. And it majorly uses the RTU, PLC system as well as HMI. So by using these three types of techniques, the Scada system majorly works. Like what is Scada system? Scada is a supervisory control. The Scada full form is actually supervisory control and data acquisition system. It refers to the combination of telemetry as well as the data acquisition. It is a combination of telemetry as well as data acquisition, and Scada encompasses the collecting of information via the RTU, that is remote terminal unit. RTU, remote terminal unit. So via the remote terminal unit, the data is being collected. Based on this, the necessary analysis is being done and the output is being operated. So the Scada system consists of one or more field data interface devices. Means different devices needed to be used for operating the Scada system, like different types of RTUs as well as PLCs. A communication between these RTUs as well as PLCs is also needed. The central host computer server or servers, it is called as a Scada, and one more name for this is master terminal unit. Means the unit which controls different types of RTUs as well as PLCs is nothing but MTU. That means master terminal unit. What are the different components of Scada? There are different types of components, like first one is HMI. HMI is nothing but human machine interface. HMI is human machine interface. By using the human machine interface, it is nothing but the apparatus or a device which presents the process to process the data to a human operator, and the human operator monitors and controls the process. Here you can see the picture. In this picture, the human is being given the data, means where different type of fault if occurs, at which particular point the fault is being occurred. It is being displayed in the screen, and based on the indication which is given to the person rectifies the particular error. This one here you can see different types of RTUs. As I said, at different locations, at different levels, different RTUs should be used, means different sensors should be used, and all these RTUs are being connected to a single MTU. MTU, as I said, it is Master Terminal Unit. MTU is Master Terminal Unit, which controls the different RTUs, and this MTU data, it is being given to the monitor, and in this monitor the human or a person can see and can monitor the different operations of a particular industry. So here you can see a PLC. The PLC is also being used for controlling or for communicating the proper information to the monitor, proper information to the person via the monitor. Working of a Scada. What is like working of a Scada? A Scada system for a power distribution application is typically a PC-based software package. Scada is a PC-based software package where the data is being collected from the electrical distribution system, with most of the data originating from the different substations. Like from different substations, the power fluctuations or any kind of data, input voltage, input power, the rating, all these data is being taken from the substations, and depending on the size as well as the complexity, the substation will have a varying number of controllers as well as operators at interfacing at different points. So the data from the PLC as well as the different RTU devices is then transmitted to the PC based Scada system, which is being located at a substation. That means the data from the PLC as well as the RTU, it is being taken and it is given to the substation. Here you can see in this picture the control room, as well as this is the plant where the different types of machinery is being operated, and here by using the antenna we are giving the signals to the RTU system, and we have a temperature sensor also. We have a temperature sensor also in order to regularly, frequently measure the temperature of this RTU system, and if the temperature increases, in order to reduce the damage, we will be providing a cooling system also. So these are the different components where the temperature, some of the components are like temperature sensors as well as antennas for signals, as well as RTU system which is being connected to the plant to be operated or controlled. What are the main functions of the Scada? Means there are 4 types of functions. First one is data acquisition. The second one is data presentation. Third one is the controlling. Fourth one is networked data communication. Means first data need to be collected. After collection, it should be properly presented based on the location, and then the controlling should be designed, and then to provide this controlling and to provide the data, the networking should be done properly, and or else the communication to the person should be done properly. So these are the 4 different functions the SCADA should maintain. What are the advantages of this SCADA system? Like efficient with less manpower, means with less manpower the industry can be maintained, and flexible, simple as well as reliable. Third one is self-checking and readability. That means if any kind of fault is taking place, it is checking by itself and trying to rectify that particular fault by itself. And portable as well as cost efficient, means the SCADA system is portable, it can be moved from one place to another, as well as it is cost effective, cost efficient also. So these are the different advantages by using the SCADA systems in industries as well as in the substations. What are the disadvantages then? Disadvantages are like troubled alarms, as well as lack of trained personnel and initial capital investments. That means in order to install these different control systems, initial investment should be done, and people should be trained. People should be trained to control these control systems. In order to operate the SCADA system, the people should be trained before itself. So these are the different disadvantages by using the SCADA systems. What are the applications of the SCADA system? Application is mostly in the smart grids. In smart grids, we will be using this SCADA system. Finally, the SCADA system provides the management with real-time data on the production operations, like it implements more efficient control when compared to the manual operation. So the government is deciding to integrate all the state power utilities to be operated by using this SCADA system. So there is a lot of scope of R&D, research and development in this SCADA system. So with this, the SCADA, we came to know about the SCADA system, what are the advantages, disadvantages, applications, and what is the use of the SCADA system. Thank you.